but I don't know why mine didn't save it.
Mine doesn't want to cut and paste. It just.
Go. If this does it work? If it works for you better in SPSS, just do it that way.
It might.
It's just mine just does the cut and paste really super easy. See, I don't do like the Control V. I just go highlight it, Control paste. I just do it like the old school way.
Control A.
Or whatever it is. Like I'll go and highlight highlight all the data, then just right click on it, and then it'll say copy.
Oh yeah.
That's the way I do it.
Let me try it that way.
And that works so much easier for me.
And then you just control,
and then I just go and then control, paste it into it.
And mine does all the paste options.
Yeah, it's usually just the first.
Okay, there we go. Oh, okay, I got that one. Okay, let me do the next one so I can make sure I know how to do this. Perfect. And I didn't see anything from Emma.
I didn't either.
But she is going to join our group today, and we did it in the day for her.
I know. I really thought she was going to be here. I really did.
I was questioning because she didn't respond.
Yeah.
So. Okay, so then I put them in, and then it just does everything, right?
Yeah.
And then there's that graph there. So I would dare say, let's see if I can get to it.
When I first did it, I was I thought it was a banana when I looked at it.
What shape do you think that is? I think it's maybe it's a banana shape.
That's what I picked.
I think it looks like a rocket.
Yeah, that's how I picked it. It's not a hot dog, I don't think. And it's definitely not a hamburger.
Because it has a slight.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah. Well, I guess we'll find out.
And then I remember on this too, I remember putting it had a, let's see, based on the shape of the scatter plot. Simple linear regression.
The appropriateness of using simple linear regression to model these data. It's appropriate, isn't it?
That's what I put, yeah.
Is appropriate? Okay, how many observations are there?
I just counted them. I thought it was like 190 or something.
Is that in the thing? Does it give us that?
I think it says down at the bottom, doesn't it say like observations or something, like 190, 130 or something like that? At the very bottom of the Excel thing, it should say right there somewhere.
Hang on. Predictions.
Like it says, like down below where it says like average, and you should see a number.
Oh, hang on. Like way far down?
Yeah, don't scroll down. It's just see where you have like your sample t-test, your ANOVA, and all that stuff. Look, there's like a little bar under that. Look at the bar under that to the right.
Do you have it in ANOVA? I'm not seeing that.
Does yours just say linear regression?
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I might be.
Oh, no, I see what you're saying. I see where you're saying down at the tabs there.
Yeah, there's a tabs, and mine says like it's like an average, then it says count.
Oh.
And I don't know if that count is, I don't know if that's the observations. I don't know what else.
Huh.
Did you see where I'm saying that?
Yeah, mine doesn't show that. Oh. I wonder.
But see, then I just went back and counted them. Like I just went and counted the how many variables there were, but I don't know if that's how many observations there were.
Oh. Huh.
I'll try to put it in there.
All right, I'm going to come back to that one.
What's that?
I said I'm going to come back to that one.
Okay.
But that would be, wouldn't it just be the total amount of?
That's what I put. Yeah. So how many observations there were? I can't remember. I don't have it pulled up, but I can't remember. It's like 100 and something like that.
Oh, whoa, it's like flying by here. Okay. Oh my heck. I have like no control over how fast it scrolls down.
I know. That's the part.
A lot of it's working in the VMware, I feel like.
Yeah.
Okay, so there was 100 and. It goes to 142 lines, but it doesn't start till line. Come on. can't do this. Oh, there we go. It doesn't start till line 4. 1, 2, 3. So would it be 139? It'd be 139,
That's
right?
when I first did it. That's what I thought.
Okay, sounds good.
But I don't know. But I mean, is that how many observations? I mean, that has to be how many observations there were.
I think so. Okay, so then using that data, answer the questions. Be sure to use the confidence data for the explanatory variable and the score data as the response variable. So what is the y-intercept?
So what did it say? It said use the score as the what variable?
Oh, it says be sure to use the confidence data for the explanatory variable and the score data as the response variable. But it's just asking, it's the same data that we're using. So isn't the y-intercept the 1.291?
That's what I thought. I'm trying to hurry and put the variables in right now so I can do it.
Okay. The slope is the x. Or, hang on. Yeah, B1 is the slope. 0.042.
That sounds familiar. All right, I might have put these in there.
Value of y when x equals 4. So
Okay, so what did you get for 9? The y-intercept?
1.291. Is that what you got?
I put these in backwards.
What do you need? Jules, what do you need? I have honey. Bottom shelf. I have tuna or I have peanut butter. But there's honey on the bottom shelf in the pantry. Did you find it, Josh?
Yeah, I for some reason I put it in. I just switched them up, so I put them in the wrong variable
I'm
spot.
assuming, isn't, because B naught is the intercept and B1 is the slope.
Yeah, I probably did it. Okay, and what did you get for your slope?
You want me to answer that? I got for my slope 0.042.
And all you do to get the predicted value of y, you just I know it says it. Let's see. I think we did. Don't we just add them together and then times the 4?
Yeah, the formula is B naught plus B1 times X.
So it'd be times 4. So I got 1.459.
That's what I got.
Okay.
It's a huge thing.
Oh, let's see. It should be.
Yeah, in the pantry bottom shelf. Oh, that's my bottle I saved to refill. Bottom shelf, Jules. It's a big pasta thing of honey. Do you see it? Sorry, we're making peanut butter and honey sandwiches. Okay, I'm back.
No, you're good.
The confidence data resulted from students evaluating their confidence. Blah, blah, blah. What is the maximum predicted value of y for these values? And what's that one?
It should be. I know because you can use 6. So see where it says x is 6.
Oh, is it that 1.541?
No, I think the highest value. So it would. When I first did this, but I can't remember what it was. It was like 94 point something.
Oh, where'd my data go again? Okay, 94. So there's the prediction interval for y.
Or there's the x with the predicted. What does it say under the predicted?
Under the, it says, so there's an x, and then under that there's a 6, right? Is that
Uh-huh.
what I'm looking at?
Uh-huh.
And then predicted says 1.541.
1.541?
And then clear over the other end, it says prediction interval for y is 0.184 and 2.899.
What in the world? You're doing it on SPSS, huh?
No, this one's actually Excel.
Oh, am I just putting this in wrong? Because mine,
There's a very good chance I put it in wrong.
no. Well, when I first did, I had my thing would be 94 point something. And mine right now is saying 74.370.
Where's that at?
It says it right next to the 6. It says the X6.
Uh-huh.
And then it says predicted 74.370.
But all the other numbers you got were the same as mine, right? Like the B is the 1.291, and that's the Y, and then the slope is 0.042.
My slope is 0.02. See, I don't know why I'm so mad I didn't save this. It was so easy for me when I first did this.
Oh, bummer.
And that's the last one we have to do, but I remember when I first did it. Yeah, there's only 2 more questions really, and they're both, what I got on it is just 1 for each one. But why am I getting something different on this one? Let me try to do this again. I'm going to open it.
Is that a funny one?
Right. When you're putting in this thing, you're just putting in the score and then the confidence, whatever the confidence rating means, right?
With the confidence rating? I mean, it has a, what is mine? It just came up with 95%.
But when we do because we have to enter these things into the, so we have like the, I just downloaded the, that efficacy, whatever that word is, the self-efficacy thing.
Okay.
So you have like the gender, the score, and then you should have like 3 columns with like information.
Oops. Yeah, the gender, score,
and then
and the confidence
yeah.
level.
And you're just, for the 2 that you're putting in, you're just doing the score and the confidence
Score and the
thing,
confidence
right?
level, right.
And which one are you putting in first?
I put in, let me see. So I'm thinking the score is the one that's independent and the confidence level is dependent on that one. So that would be, okay, and I had written this down somewhere. The explanatory explanatory variable is used to predict the response variable. So I put in the score in the explanatory variable, X.
X. The score and the X.
And then for the response variable, that's the variable that we're predicting. So that would be their confidence level, right? So I put that in 1.
So let me give you the score is in the X.
Are you getting Noah some lunch, Chaz? Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. doesn't come out, it's all frozen in. Just
What's that?
have to be changed that ice out. Sorry, it's all frozen in.
We're a 90s movie with TV show.
Oh,
Toy Story.
hey, Steph.
Yeah.
All right, I got it now. So the R is the y-intercept is 1.291. Slope is 0.2.
And I can kill the room. So what did you find, Josh?
Yeah, I was just being stupid. So now, like where it says, I think where it says we can put in the predicted value of
Y.
on 11. So 11, you got 1.459, right?
Let me look at that. Yes.
Okay, and the easy way, I mean, you don't have to, like, you know how to switch. You see where it says X is 6? Well, and then we have the predicted.
Mm-hmm.
You can change the 6 to a 4, and it'll do it for you. You probably knew that.
Cool. No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so just put this. So I think it still gives us 1.45. It says 8, but you round.
Okay.
So I don't know if we should put 1.458 or 1.459.
Probably. I'm going to change it. Because it did say if you do the formula by hand, it could be slightly off compared to what the software does.
Oh, it did? Oh.
Uh-huh. In
Well, there you go.
Mars video. Okay, so for 12, what do you think 12 is then?
The confidence data. And we put the maximum value, so we put that back up to 6 because it tells us.
All right.
So the highest predicted should be 1.541.
Is that's the predicted is the 1.451, or is that the prediction interval for Y at 2.899?
No, I think that's
I'm asking you because I don't know which one to look at.
because there's a positive correlation with the largest X value to find the largest predicted value. See, I wonder if it goes lower. So let's see. If I put a 5 in there, does that go lower? Let's see. It does go lower. So I think it's 1.541, but
Okay.
but I got a different number last time I did this. I had like when I did this last time, I had like a 40 or like a 70 or 90 or something. Oh, maybe that was on my quiz. Maybe that was on the quiz I took. I bet that's what it was. So then, how many explanatory variables? I think it's just one.
I do too, because if you have more, then it's a multiple linear.
A multiple, yep. And I think it's the same for I think it's the same for 14 too. I think that's one too.
Right. Okay, hang on. Back on number.
Yeah, what number?
Shoot, which one is that?
Was it 8?
No, on number 12.
Well,
So on number 12 in the lesson,
uh-huh.
on 3.3 on predictions, it says if you want to predict the number of manatees that will be killed, to say, anyway, it goes into all that. Then it says if there are, I don't know, there will be an estimated 67.24 manatees killed. Of course, we cannot kill a fraction of a manatee. Oh, but it does say it is appropriate to leave the prediction as a decimal. Okay. So we can leave it as a decimal. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's right. I think it's 1.541.
Okay.
But did you read something where you don't think it is, or do you think it's that? Or?
No, I was just wondering if we didn't do it as a decimal because you can't have it as a fraction, but it says it's appropriate to leave it as a fraction. So
Yeah.
I was just trying to see on the software like where you look for that number though.
Yeah, I looked and I couldn't. Oh, are you looking on Excel?
Well, I'm just looking in the text to see.
Oh, yeah.
67. 64. I just want to make sure I'm looking at the right number and that I understand where to look. That's all.
Yeah, it's got to, because if we go to number, let's see.
Funny how the book doesn't really get into that.
Yeah, no kidding. Because they want to know what our highest predicted value can be, right?
Right.
And the predicted value when it's 4 is 1.458, and said 6 is our highest predicted value we can get, because it tells us. I really think it's 1.541. Because that's the highest, because 6 is the highest we can go. So if we were changing the 6 to 1, which is the lowest, that'd be 1.332. And 6. Yeah, I think it's 1.541.
I was just looking at the formula for it. Oh, prediction that was. Okay. You guys are fine. All right, should we give it a go?
Oh yeah, let's do it. Submit.
I'm trying to flip back over to that one.
Did you want to go look at the one really quick?
That number 11?
No, the one that says how many observations.
Oh.
But I don't know what else it could be.
I'm just kind of trying to flip through the video of Brother Palmer's to show observations. Here's the problem. I don't care.
I'm about to that point too.
So that's my bigger problem. However, every better grade only helps me.
Yeah.
I don't know what else it could be. It doesn't gotta be the observation.
That has to be. Yeah, I'm just gonna submit it. I don't care.
Okay, let me get back to it.
Make sure I mark everything 1-1. Did you do it? Or I'll go and then I'll tell you.
What did we say on the observations? 139, right?
The uppers.
Okay, all right. I was just double checking that. Okay, let's do it. No observations. You do it?
Ooh. I shouldn't have done it. We got a 70%.
Oh, which one did you miss?
We missed the hot dog one, 6. Oh my gosh, 6, 9, 10, 11, and 12 are wrong.
6, 9, 10. Oh, crap.
What?
That means the wrong stuff is coming. 6, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Yeah. Well, that's...
Nine, 10, 11, 12. Huh. Oh well, I'll spend a little more time.
I don't know how we could have got those wrong.
How do you figure that out? Unless I'm not understanding which column to put the data in.
No, that's because I know that's... There's the... What is the white intercept? says right here, the y-intercept is 1.291.
Mhm.
I don't understand.
Interesting.
Be sure to use the confidence data for the explanatory variable and the score data. Is explanatory, is that the, oh god, unless we had them switched around, which I bet we did.
Did we miss that explanatory one? Or observational one or whatever?
Yeah, I bet, see that, I bet that's why I was noticing I had a different answer.
Oh, we got that observations right. How many observations? 139.
Yeah. I bet that's what I did. Let me see.
I'm gonna check it next PSS. Okay, let me do that.
I'm very excited. Which I know this was a good one.
Anyways. Regression.
Dang it, I knew that's what I did wrong.
What?
Oh, I knew it's the 94.909. That's the predicted value. I bet if you switch this, I bet you get them right. Matter of fact, I bet my M&M's are only on this. Dang it. Maybe he'll let me still turn it in. I still have it opened up, so maybe they'll still let me turn it in. No. I'm going to try it.
You're re-putting in the stuff to see if it'll accept it?
Yeah, I'm going to see if it'll let me, because I had another one pulled open, so I'm going to see if it'll.
Oh, nice try.
I don't think it will.
It'd be kind of
But
cool.
it doesn't hurt to try, though. What's that?
It'd be kind of cool if it did, so you could at least see what.
I know. Well, if it's not the banana shape, then it's got to be the hot dog shape. Which is stupid. I knew that.
I'm gonna just probably have to study the software a little bit more because I think that's all it came down to.
Did you, let me put these answers in. I bet you get it right.
Well, I already submitted it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm not going to let you take the fall.
No. I'm like at 60. I just need a 70. That's all I need. I'm like at 69% right now. And I try to do the what if for our group project, and it's not letting me calculate it. It's not letting me do it. So I'm wondering if it's worth 100 points. So if I do get on that, it should bring my grade up at least 1%. And that's all I want. That's all I want. I'll still, even if I get a C minus, I did my GPA, and I should be getting a 3.4 still.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah. But I don't know. I want to check with you guys before I submit the data and stuff. So I was wishing
That's
Jason.
fine. Yeah, and I'll play around with it a little bit later tonight and tomorrow.
Okay, and I'll be heading to Utah Saturday, so I'll try to figure some stuff out either tonight or tomorrow,
Okay.
and then I'll send it to you guys to see what you guys think about it.
Where in
And
Utah
if
are you
you-
going to be on Saturday?
My friend, they're getting sealed in the Payson Temple.
Uh-huh.
I wanted to leave Friday night, but my wife, every Friday night here, there's bands,
Oh,
and there's like the Fleetwood Mac tribute band,
oh, cool.
and so we're going to go to that. So we'll probably be heading to Utah like at 9, probably in the morning.
Very cool.
But I'll be in Alpine, so I stay in Alpine.
Okay. I say if worst comes to worst, if it gets too frustrating, I could meet up with you. But hopefully we can have it done before then, so you don't have to stress about it. I'll look in a little bit more later tonight, though.
And then and I'll try to text Emma and tell her that I need her data.
Need it ASAP.
ASAP.
Tell her that you have things going Saturday and you need